Pero pwede ba dyan gamitin sanctuary yung Senate para makaiwas sa arrest?
Limited kasi yung Constitution is very clear on the matter. First, kung less than 6 years yung penalty, may immunity from arrest when Congress is in session. Yun ang mga limitations. Kaya kung hindi in session ng Congress, hindi maabil yung immunity from arrest. And yun nga, 6 years or less. But we in the majority, support the pronouncement of the Senate President as long as he is in the Senate premises, at least malan yung courtesy na wag gawin dito yung arrest. Well, if it comes to that, then we'll have to tackle it, and probably kanya pa rin call yun. But he can stay in the Senate premises forever kasi something has to give way then, and yung Constitution being the fundamental law of the land will prevail. Kasi very clear naman doon na hindi lahat ng offenses, alleged offenses, hindi lahat ng crimes covered ng immunity from arrest. 6 years or less than 6 years lang yung penalty.